Here's a graph of Arafura Resources' share price over the past couple of days. Now, it already went up 18% yesterday before it was revealed last night that its Northern Territory project will be the beneficiary of $150 million of taxpayers' money, and maybe a lot more from American taxpayers. And then this morning it gapped up by 30% before some investors said, right, that'll do, I'm out. So the shares ended the day where it ended yesterday. Here's what happened to some of the other stocks mentioned by the government as possible recipients of government cash. And it's a bit of a mixed bag. Alcoa, Australian Strategic Minerals and VHM all up a lot, but Sunrise fell, although it did shoot up fivefold in 2 months, so that's fair enough. And Linus fell 7.6%, presumably because it wasn't picked for the team, even though it's the only actual producer of rare earths in Australia. The other big miners, BHP and Rio Tinto, got a bit caught up in the excitement, even though they're really boring, and the market rose 0.7%. The US market jumped more than 1% last night, and so did most Asian markets today. Gold went up again, oil and iron ore fell, cryptos fell again, and the Aussie dollar remained stuck at 65 US cents. And finally, we love a housing graph at the ABC Finance here, and here's one showing how Melbourne is leading the nation in housing affordability. For the past 4.5 years, Melbourne house prices have been unchanged, while the national median has gone up about 30%. All we need now is for the rest of the country to follow Melbourne's lead and for housing to be a bad investment. And that's finance.